Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to talk about the new Type-C bullet earphones from OnePlus. So it's a wired earphones. So we did the video on the wireless bullet earphones from OnePlus. Now we have the USB Type-C bullet earphones from OnePlus. This is announced alongside the OnePlus 60. So we all know that the new OnePlus 60 does not have the 3.5mm audio jack. Instead, it is just the USB Type-C port. So to listen to music, either you have to use the bundled adapter, or you can use the new bullet earphones, Type-C earphones. So this is the new earphones. So this retails for 1490 rupees. That means 1500 rupees. And this is the new bullet earphones. You can see Type-C bullet earphones, black color, and the frequency range, and this is a Type-C cable. And let's unbox this, and let's see what all it comes. So you can see that once you open the box, you can see the beautifully arranged the bullet earphone. So let's just take this out. So there is a small box here. So again, the buds for life, that's a caption. Then you have the Never Settle logo. So this is the case. So you can just take this out. So this has additional ear tips included. So let's see how many ear tips are included. So you can see here 2 pairs of ear tips are included. That's quite good in case you want to replace them, or if you're not comfortable with the default ones, you can just change the ear tips. Now let's see the actual earphone. So there you go. So let's just take this out. So there you go. You can see the new Type-C wired bullet earphone. So let's just take, and you can see that's the build quality. Looks pretty good. You can see that the left and right are marked, and this is made of metal and looks pretty premium as well. And the wires are also quite good, because you can see that the cable is a flat cable. That helps because it doesn't tangle much. So you can see that it's a flat cable. So let's just take this out. So there you go. So you can see that this is the Type-C cable. So that's a Type-C cable, and then you have this option to turn on or to increase or decrease the volume, and the button to pause or play. Then we have the OnePlus branding as well available. Then you have the microphone as well in case you want to take calls with this. So overall looks quite good. The build quality is kind of okay. The area where we have this volume keys is kind of slightly plasticky in nature, not the best out there, but here you can see that the earphone actually looks quite good in terms of the build quality and fit and finish. So that's the earphone. So overall looks quite good for the pricing it is being offered. Now let's talk about the sound performance. So in case you want to know the technical specifications of the earphone, so here you go. Everything is mentioned here. There is a manual available where you have all the details about the frequency, the weight, or the cable length, and all those things, power weighting, everything is included here in the specifications. So that's the small manual available in the box pack. Now talking about the performance of the USB Type-C earphones, bullet earphones from OnePlus. So we tried these earphones for a longer period of time, and they're quite comfortable in ear. It doesn't create any sort of issues, and regarding the comfort, it's quite good. Now talking about the performance, we played different types of songs using this, and or for a longer period of time, and we would like to say that the performance is more more leaning to the bass performance. So the bass is pretty good, and if you're a person who loves listening to songs with a lot of bass performance, then this is definitely good. So if you like to actually play songs which have more treble, and then in that case you need to actually go to the settings in OnePlus, and you have this option in the sound settings. So you can go here, and audio tuner is there, and you can just enable the audio tuner, and you can have you can see that bullet Type-C earphones and the sound enhancement is there, and you can go to the presets and change the actual option. So that's how you can edit it, but by default this is more towards the bass performance. So if you are a person who loves listening to songs with good bass performance, then the OnePlus Type-C earphones are quite good, and they're comfortable as well, and they don't cause any sort of issues even if you listen for a longer period of time. So that's the performance aspect. Now overall this looks quite good, and the pricing is also quite acceptable, 1500 rupees for the earphones. And this plays with most of the devices which have the USB type C port and lacks the 3.5mm audio jack. So for example, you can even play with the Mi A2, which does not have a 3.5mm audio jack. You have only the type C port, so it plays with that as well. And if you have the 3.5mm audio jack, you can actually have the 3.5mm audio jack to USB type C adapter and use this as well. So that's the performance and aspects of the OnePlus type C earphones. Overall this looks quite good for the performance, and this is best used with the OnePlus 60. So the best performance we got was when using with the OnePlus 60, and it's definitely a great companion for the OnePlus 60 because this does not have the 3.5mm audio jack. So if you have the OnePlus 60, or if you're planning to buy the OnePlus 60, and if you are a person who loves listening to songs, OnePlus USB type C earphones are quite good. So this will be available starting from November 1st. So that was the unboxing, hands-on and audio quality of the OnePlus type C bullet earphones, and hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.